I think it's very beautiful. The artists have done a lot of good work, and I'm particularly interested in horses, and there are some nice sculptors here. So very nice, very well done. The paintings, the quality of the painting, very good, exceptionally good. The artists are very good. I hope the artists get their worth in selling these paintings, but they're all extremely well done. Thank you.
Hindi or English? Hindi, I don't.
So tell me about this event. Say something about this event. What is it all about? And like the paintings and all.
Yes, of course, the artworks are very nice. They are young artists and emerging artists and established senior artists. It's a very good collaboration with an American artist at the same time, where you can exchange art thoughts, art views, art culture, know about the artists from each country. So it's a very good way to basically get two worlds together, two different worlds and cultures together. And art is like a universal language where you can basically get in peace at the same time, on that basis. Artworks are very beautiful. They are very contemporary. They are modern. They are very some of on pure heritage of of India and Bombay City and Buddha. So it's a lovely thing to come and see over the next few days for visitors who are basically art lovers and art passionate.
Okay, tell me about the color, the paintings. How do you like the paintings and all this paintings?
Yes, of course. I like them a lot. There are very few ones in the sculptures where it's about horses. They are very nice, very beautifully, basically sculpted. They have taken pains to do it and a lot of patience. So they have to have a good platform to basically show, and nothing like a group show to basically show their art skills and basically their art knowledge. And Simrosa is a very good venue at the same time for it. And Mr. Jaiswal, as the founder of Akriti Art Foundation, is very instrumental in doing these art group shows, basically all over Bombay and India. So I thank him for that.
So, sir, you are here for this year or you come every year for
No, this is my first time I am here.
So, how's your experience? How are you liking it? You're liking it?
Yes, I'm liking it very much. Looking forward to having more shows, with Mr. Jaiswal. And then let us see. He'll go, I'm sure, in maybe outside India, which he should now in time, as long as he gets the art support and some charity-based events.
So, anything more you want to talk about this event?
No, I would like all the art, art lovers, art passionate lovers to come and see the show till the 5th of May. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sohan,
So, what would you like to say about this event?
event is very good. The artists are the more important. Whatever they think, they can draw it because they are the most powerful. And what we think we can't do, we cannot explain it. Suppose they have made a Mother Teresa expression. So whatever they thought, they do on the canvas. If I thought, I cannot do it. So the painting is more than the 1 crore of words. Then the painting is more important. The things which cannot express, they can draw it and they can see. So they are more powerful than other human beings.
It's your first time that you're coming here, or you come every year?
Yeah, I like the painting. I used to go whenever there is an exhibition. I used to go and I see their expression. Whatever the expression they have got, that is their imagination, and they see what they imagine, what they thought they can do on a painting.
Anything else you want to talk about this event?
This event is a good. This event is good, but we see that there is no coordination between the Saraswati and Lakshmi. So the artists are always suffer for that. We have to help them because they are the artists. They are made. It's a God gift. It's not like that you can learn in a school. It's a God gift. And the person who has got a God gift, we have to support them. And for supporting this is the exhibition, we have to support them by all ways.
Thank you so much, sir. So now, what did you like the event? What is it all about? Tell me. This event is all about.
This is for the artist and by the artist only, because I think the curator of this show, Manmohan Jaiswal, Mr. Manmohan Jaiswal, he's a very artistic person. He writes very well, he paints also. Maybe he's not a formal, he never got a formal training, but then still the tendency is there that he's an art lover. So I think that is why he has assembled so much of art from all over the all over the.
Every year you have come this year, and you come every year for the exhibition, or like
No.
first time coming.
No, I do come whenever I am available. He invites me, and it's my pleasure to see upcoming artists, and he gives chance to new freshers also, and mature artists also. So it's a kind of a mela where you can see variety of work, a variety of thoughts, emotions, and if you see, it's a colorful journey. So it's a pleasure.
Say about this events and how the paintings I do, like the colors I paint.
I myself am I'm an artist by profession also, and I love colors. That's my passion, and I think without colors there is no life. In this nature we have so many colors around us, so how can we be without colors? So this show actually is based on painters and sculptors. So I liked their efforts, and it's good when they showcase their works, and they learn a lot through their seniors, and of course if at all they have this urge going throughout their life with the colors and brushes and creativity, so it will be a bliss, because it's a way of expression actually. So when any person expresses himself or herself through colors and lines and shapes, it gives life to the canvas, and life, it gives colors to the words and emotions. It's beautiful always. It's a pleasurable job.